Hello, everybody. I'm Arpit Jashpura. I head up open source networking and edge at the Linux Foundation. And I'm really excited to have you all join this developer summit meetup in Japan, one of our leading areas and regions for not just the Linux Foundation, but also the Sonic community. I'm going to cover three things before you all go into the deep dives of what Sonic is. The first is, for those of you who are not Linux Foundation members and not familiar with it, we are the world's largest nonprofit that hosts open source projects, standards, and technologies that change the world and that shape everything from networking, telecommunications, automobiles, energy, to cloud. Sonic is a top-level Linux Foundation project, and as you know, network operating systems, or NOS as we call it, has a huge market momentum, specifically because of the disaggregation that happened in the last 5 years. Disaggregation means hardware separate from software, and Sonic is the perfect fit for a network operating system that can sit on any disaggregated network switch. You will hear obviously more about that. There are other network operating systems that go from proprietary to customized for either campus deployments or retail deployments, to telcos or other markets. But Sonic is the number one operating system that has globally found tremendous support from not just the community, but also from end users. And you can obviously go into Sonic webpage and find more details about it. So I'm really excited that you're all here. And if you're not already a member of Sonic, please join. There are a tremendous amount of benefits that come with it, with a very large community. And if you are already a member, then thank you very much. Please help your colleagues who are not join. And I'm looking forward to a very exciting meetup and summit. Thank you very much.